Relocating your office in Alabama can be a complex and stressful task, but with the right movers, it doesn't have to be. At 3 Movers, we specialize in providing top-rated office relocation services to ensure a smooth, efficient transition with minimal downtime. Our team of professional office movers in Alabama is here to support you from planning your move to setting up your new office space. Every successful office relocation starts with a well-thought-out plan. At 3 Movers, we begin by working closely with you to understand your needs. Our expert project managers will create a customized relocation strategy, ensuring the move is as efficient and cost-effective as possible. Our experienced team handles everything, including packing and crating. Whether it's delicate office equipment like computers and servers or fragile items like artwork, we use specialized materials to keep everything safe during the move. We offer secure, climate-controlled facilities if you need storage during your move. Our storage solutions are monitored 24/7, so you can rest easy knowing your office items are safe and protected. Let 3 Movers handle your office relocation with professionalism and care. Contact us today to get started.